Hello guys, this is God's power. So today I will show you a way on how you can make $1 to $10 for doing very simple steps. So I'm going to show you three websites that will allow you to make $1 to $10 for completely free online. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. I will show you three websites that will allow you to make money online, to make $1 to $3 every time you complete a task. So I'm going to show you step by step. So let us get started right now. So if you don't know me, my name is God's Power and I make video like this a way on how you can make free money online on this my YouTube channel. Any way that I try, I see that you have work, I come to share it with you guys on this my YouTube channel. So let us head over to this website and start making money with this method. All I just want from you is to subscribe and like this video. That is only what I want from you for this video to get to other people who is interested of making money online. So let us head over to this website. So as you can see, this is the website which is called InstaGC. InstaGC is a very simple website that allows people like you and me to make money for doing very simple tasks. As you can see, at this page here, what you can see on the screen is telling us that we can make money for doing what? It's a aim point for things you already do online. So as you can see, you can complete tasks, you get paid. You can watch videos, you get paid. You can shop online, you get paid. You can search on Google Web, you get paid. If you scroll down here, you can click on one of those, choose from gift card, and you can see the one of the gift card that is available that they can use, that you can use to redeem your cash. So as you can see, they are telling us that they have redeemed almost 1 point something million dollars, that they have give 1 point something million dollars a gift card that they have sent that they have give to the users of InstaGC. So that is the things you need to understand about this website. And if you are wondering their payment method, they have a lot of option of their payment method, but they are telling us that before you sign up, you have to make sure you have your paper account. So once you have your paper account, all you just need to do is to sign up with one of those things you can see. You can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Twitter, you can sign up with Google. So just choose one of them and sign up your account. So to sign up, what you just have to do here, you are going to enter your username. So you are going to enter, let us say if it's me, I will enter Chris. I will just enter Chris on this area here. So I will enter Chris and I will click on next. I will enter password. I will enter this password. And the second one, I enter my password again. And here I enter my email address. I will just say my password is Chris again. And I'll just enter this. And I click on done. And once I click on sign up, it will now sign me up. And I will have 10 points 10 points for signing up. It will be credited into my account immediately. So before you sign up, I want you to use the first link in the description. Click on it. It will allow you to get extra points if you use my referral link. So that will still help me to get some points, and you will be making some points from me too. So that is things you need to know. And click on sign up and you are good to go. So once you have created, they will send you an email once you have clicked the sign up button. So you receive an email telling you to verify your account. So once you have verified your account, which is very simple to do, then you will now come back to InstaGC, click on login. So once you click on login here, you are going to enter your password and your email address. So I'm going to enter my password and email address and log into my account. So as you can see, I have just logged into my account. So as you can see, there's a bunch of websites you can make money from. So I know you'll be wondering how much you will make for 100 points or for 50 points. 1 point is 1 cent. So if you have 100 points, you will have $1 into your account. So which is, if you see now, currently right now, I have 128 points, which means I can cash out $1 on this website. If you click on this point section here, if I click on that point, you will see the rate of my point if it's going up and down. So you can see November 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 5th, and 6th. You can see that I have not really made points those days because I have not used it. So if we go back again, click on this menu icon here and click on recommended offer. So once you click on recommended, you will see all those offers here that you can do. You can see InstaGC, you can see add get a reward, you can see a gym, you can see hang ads, you can see Hideout TV, offer to row, and you can see a lot of ways that you can use to make money with this method. So all you just need to do is to click on one of them. Click here like this, click on InstaGC. InstaGC, every survey you do here, they are going to pay you 80 cents per survey. You can see 80 points is 80 cents, which means if you have 100 cents, you have $1. So if I click on this survey like this, it will take me automatically to this survey tab where I have to take survey. As you can see, I have to accept the terms and condition and start taking the survey. Once I complete the survey, they will now pay me the 80 points into my account. As you can see, it's popping up on InstaGC asking me if I completed that task, I should submit it. So if really that I completed that task, I click on submit, the point will be added into my account within 24 hours. So once the point is added, I can decide to cash it out. So that is how you can complete task. So click on the logo again of InstaGC to take you to the home page of InstaGC. This is what you will see on your mobile phone. It might be different. So on my phone, you see the way it display. It might display in other way on your smartphone. So you don't need to worry about this when it's showing other template or way on your smartphone. So you can click on apps. So on apps, you will see the website that is eligible for you to install app and get paid. You can see that you can take surveys. Click on survey. You can see here that you can take surveys. And if you click on task, you can see that you can take task too and get paid. And if you go back again to InstaGC, you can click on videos. You can see that you can watch video from Hideout TV and you get paid. So that is how it works. So I want to head over to the payment method, and first again, let me show you that you can refer people to this program and you get paid. So you can refer people and you can see the country they are from, their username here, and you can see everything entirely. That is the things you need to understand here. And you can refer people. If you want to refer people, click on this icon here and you go directly to referral link, and this is my referral link. I will leave it in the description below. Click on the first link to take you to referral link, and that is the things you need to know about the referral link. You can make money by referring people to this program. So if you want to redeem your cash, you see the redeeming section here. You can see that you can cash out. Click on store. So you can see that you can cash out on Amazon and other items and multiple ways. If you go back again, come here again and click on other rewards. Here you can see that you can cash out with paper and you can cash out with paper and Bitcoin. You can see the payment that I've cashed out, $2 and $1. So I just tried it to see if this website really works. That is the proof. And if you click on the boosting point boost, these are the points you get. They will give you a code. You come here to redeem your code if you have any boosting code or promo code they give you to redeem a particular point. So that is the things you need to know about InstaGC. If there is other thing you don't understand about InstaGC, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. So let us move to the next website. So as you can see, this is the second website, which is called Enably. Enably is a very simple website. It's a digital reward and gift card website that allows people like me and you to go and watch videos, install application, and you get paid. Take surveys and you get paid, just like the same with InstaGC. As you can see on this website here, you can see that you can take survey from Offer Wars and other get away website that is partnering with Enably, and you will get paid for doing that. You can see the type of for 5 minutes you will get 23 points. For 5 minutes you get 70 points. For 5 minutes you get 200 points. It depends on the company and depending on the survey you are trying to do. So how will you get paid? As you can see, easy instant reward. It says redeem your point for instant cash reward or free gift card from your favorite brand and retailers. Those are something for everyone: cash payment, gift card, and wallet code, and many more. So you can see that you can redeem your money on PayPal, Amazon, Domino's, and other ways, and Facebook, and other ways you wish to redeem your money, even Xbox Live. So as you can see here, that is how you can get paid. So you can see it say invite friends and earn more. So you can invite people on Enably and you earn more points. So that is the things you need to know about Enably. On Trustpilot, there are 902 review on Trustpilot. So that is the things you need to know about this website, which is called Enably. So to register is very simple. Click on sign up here, and you have to enter your email account, and you enter your username, password, your phone number, and you accept the terms and condition, and you click on sign up once you are through with that, and they will send you verification email, and you are good to go to start making money. So let me sign up into my account. So as you can see, I just signed up into my account. How you can make money with Enably, you can see the offers that you can use to make money with Enably. All you just need to do, click on any random offer here, and you are good to go to start making money. Take offers like you know how to take offer already, like we did on InstaGC, and all you just need to do, click on any offer you wish, and you are good to go, and you can multiply your earning by watching videos too. So when you click on this section that says how you can multiply your earning too, you can see that you can refer people to this program. You make money too. You earn 10% lifetime from their earning. So refer people to this program, and you are going to be making money. Don't worry, the link of this website will be in the description below. So all you just need to do is to click on the link, and you are good to go to start making money with this website, which is called Enably. So as you can see, you make money for referring people to this website. So click on that section again and click on Earn. On this section, you will find a section that say videos. So you click on videos here. You can see that you can still watch video from Hideout TV, and you get paid for just doing a very simple task like that. So all you just need to do, click on any one of the random category of the video you want to watch, go and watch the video, and once you are through watching the video, they will pay you points, and the point will be added on your Enably account. So that is how everything works. That is how you can make money with this website. So let us, with that not be said, let us move to the next website that will allow you to make free money online. As you can see, I did not show you proof that you can make how you can redeem your money from Enably. To redeem your money, click on this icon here and click on redeem. On this session, you'll find method that you can use to redeem your money. You already know, but I'm just showing you again. So you can see that you can redeem your money PayPal, Amazon, and iTunes, Spotify, Zalando, and other way, even PlayStation Store. You can redeem your money in that way too. So if you click on PayPal now to redeem your money, you can decide how much you want to withdraw, and you can click on redeem now, and the money will be sent into your PayPal account. As you can see that you can redeem up to $100 on this website for doing a very simple task. All you just need to do now is to go and start using Enably and start making free money. You can see that you can make up to $100 by just doing this very simple step-by-step guide that you can see on the screen. So let us move to the next website that will allow you to make free money online. So as you can see, the third website is GrabPoints. GrabPoints is a very simple website that allows people like me and you to make free money online. As you can see on the screen, you can see that GrabPoint will allow you to make a lot of cash for just doing a very simple task by just answering question from a brand, and you talk about the product and you earn money for doing that. So you can watch videos, you can get paid for doing that. You see, advertiser pays GrabPoint for engagement. We recruit members like you, and you do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. So you say at the end of it, you earn a free gift card or paper cash. So you redeem, they pay you for doing all those tasks for people, for companies. Companies come to thank GrabPoint, and what they do on GrabPoint is that they publish their offers, and what we have to do as the people they recruit, we sign up on GrabPoint, and we get paid for doing that. As you can see, those are the payment method that you can use to redeem cash on Thankbox. You can see that you can receive gift cards and cash, PayPal, Amazon, Visa, free Visa gift card, and a Google Play Store code, and Walmart, and free V-Box, and free Redbox, and Steam wallet code, and free PSN code, and Spotify, free Spotify Premium, and a lot more you can use to redeem your cash once you are done doing offers on this website. So what do you do on this website? What you do is very simple. You can see you complete task from all those platforms. You can see companies that is from different places, and all you do tasks for them, and they pay you. Once they pay you, you can decide to redeem that cash into by gift card or through PayPal, which is cash. As you can see on Trustpilot, they have 1,465 on Trustpilot reward holding, and you can see everything is really cool and a legit site. You can go and see how much visitor this website is getting every month to know if it's a legit site for you or not. So to sign up is very free. You have to enter your first email, you enter your email there, password, and re-enter your password. You click on sign up, or you can decide to sign up with your Facebook or Google account. So once you have signed up, they will send you a verification email address. So once they have sent you this verification email address, then all you just need to do is to go and click on log in and start entering your information, and you are good to go. So that is the things you need to know about GrabPoints. So how you make money, you already know. You can watch video, take surveys, and you are good to go to start making money. Let me log in on my account and show you around GrabPoint. So as you can see currently right now, I have 1094 points on GrabPoints account. As you can see, for every friend I refer to GrabPoint, they will pay me 500 points. So you can see it say share your referral links with your friends, and you will earn, and friends and you will earn up to 500 points when they earn 1000 points. In addition, they will earn 500 free points when they sign up with your invitation code. Click here to view how much you will earn. You understand? So if you click here, you will see now how much you will earn for referring people to this program. You can just read through to see how much you earn and the countries that is allowed to participate on this website. As you can see, you will earn money from 100 points for each referral that you send to this list. As you can see, those are the countries that is available to participate and to use this website. It's not all country, so if all the website I showed you on this video is not all country that is available, or is all the websites are not available in your country, there is a lot of video I have made on my YouTube channel there, so you can click on any one of them and try to see which of the website that is available. I don't really know your country, so it's very difficult to really know which of you or which country or which type of country video I will make, but I just make the video that I've used to make money. If it works for you, you use it. If it don't work for you, you leave me a comment, and I will just leave me a comment and your country. I will make sure I do a video about website that works in your own country. So I will say thank you very much. As you can see, we have to end the video here because the video wants to become too long. So how to earn money is very simple here. You just need to go back again, go to the home page of GrabPoints. You can see on the menu here, you can click on surveys. You can take surveys and you get paid. So you can take surveys of 1 minute and you are going to be getting a lot of money on your GrabPoints account. So you can see surveys that is available here. You can just click on any one of them, take the survey, and you are going to be getting paid. So how you can redeem your money, I already told you. You can watch video too and you get paid. You can watch video and get paid on GrabPoints. As you can see too, that you can make money too by referring people, by watching video, by completing tasks, and you are getting paid. How you get your money, you already know. Click on gift card. So when you click on gift card, it will show you the payment method that is available here, which you already know. So that is everything I need to talk on this video. So I will say subscribe. Don't forget again to like this video and share it with your friend. And again, don't forget to join the giveaway that is going on, which is Canva Pro. I'm giving away 5 accounts of Canva Pro, so you can join if you wish to win, or if you wish to have a Canva Pro of 1 year Canva Pro account. So I'll say thank you very much. See you on my next video, a way on how to make money online. Thank you very much and peace.